Oh guys, I buy a new headphone.
Guys, this is my new headphone. It's called Hammerhead Pro. So let's see this one. So let's see the property. Okay, it can low down the sound to negative 30 decibel and the highest 1000. What the? Okay, let's see more. This pocket. Whoa! It has an input to join the computer. So let's see the example. It can use for the metal rock song. Jazz song. Most popular gay song. I will put a contact here. Okay, if you want to go, just check out and call me. Goodbye. Wait, this one. If you masturbate longer than me, 4 hours challenge.